Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. Thanks a lot for watching and feel free to subscribe and be part of this amazing community. Stay tuned, greatness is coming.
I think it's this one here. It might be this one here because it doesn't have any number or anything. Looks like a bakery anyway. But I need to find somewhere else to park, because here is not really indicated, not really recommended, or park here. I think it's this one here. Looks like an abandoned place anyway. It says something about Howard anyway, no? Howard? No, Beach William and Son. Okay, let's go find this place, because I don't know where it is. It might be this building. Or here, beach, bread, cups, cake, savory. So, okay. Hello mate, I've got a delivery for you.
Yes.
Beaches.
You
Yeah,
take
here.
it down there.
You got any you got a forklift or something?
A what?
A forklift?
No.
No? You got any pump truck by chance?
No.
Because I need to take box by box then. So yeah, I'll just hand you the paperwork then. So where do you want the stuff?
Right. We have.
Yeah, because I haven't got the pump truck with me. That's why. They didn't give me. So I just need to take with the sack barrow. Like, this is how it is.
Okay. Right. Are you in or out?
Only if you got someone that has a pump truck, will that be much easier. Yeah.
Right. Can
So-
dump it there?
All the stuff here, yeah?
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah, we can hold it, so.
Okay.
You
no
can,
problem. I don't know if I can
mean,
put
what
on
have you
them
done?
trolleys. How much can you put in them? What's the weight? It's like a pallet. Like a pallet of stuff.
no. If you put,
Yeah.
you could put like 5 bags on there.
Yeah,
Or
yeah.
I'll bring a few.
No problem. Thank you. Cheers. Okay. Where is the key? Wow, I need that key. I don't know where it is. How to find the key. Fucking key. So it's 2019 Reg, 15 ton, 8.5 meters. So it's 3 meters shorter than Mercedes Actros anyway. So I'll try to put all the stuff into them. Okay, of course. We'll do this job, no worries. Wow, it's even with them on the wheels, it's so much better than carry on that sack barrel. It will take me loads of time. So it's that pallet on the right. It's not so many things, but cheers, mate. Doesn't stay. Anton, if you can give me that, yeah, cheers. Thank you.
Going in.
How many tiles do you think that?
Yeah. Football. Yeah.
They put so much foil. I have to use the key. I don't have choice.
Nearly done then for the day.
Yeah. 5 o'clock in the morning. I've been up.
So you're ready?
Yeah. But I have to drive to Manchester, so it's quite a long drive from here.
Yes. Put all those brown ones on there.
Yeah. Nice one. Thank you very much. Okay.
Yeah, go on.
Take this out. Yeah.
Right, you want to take those two? Take those two down so they can be taken.
Yeah. No problem. Thank you. Thank you. Da, 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 da. Thank you. Ah, the other two. Yeah. Thank you. Nice one. Alright. Imagine if I would have taken my own like that. That one is broken as well.
Yeah, well, how come you haven't got a pump truck?
No pump truck, and
Don't take that one
yeah.
down so that
In the morning I asked them even for a sack barrel. They gave me from another van that because they don't have. So it's like Thank you. Oh,
Okay, do you want to take those
so,
two down?
yeah, no problem. Thank you. Come on. Don't move anywhere. Thank you very much. That's the last one?
Yep.
What about that box?
Oh, it's empty.
Yeah?
Okay.
No problem. If you're happy, I'm happy, so. If you want, I can bring this. I can bring this if you want to take them. If you want. Yeah, yeah. Thank you very much. Yep.
Hold on.
Yeah. Hop.
You up?
Oh, lovely jubbly.
Pardon? Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Really appreciate it. Have a good day.
Okay.
See you. Okay. Okay. So that's done. Anyway, I have to go up. So close this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next customer, that's it. Very lucky today that I got so much help from the customers. So today actually the customers saved my day, because otherwise I would have been fucked up. Really fucked up.